Hello, hello. So, this last week we have had a profit of around, let's see, boom, there you go. That's August. We did 1,800 and spending 5,000. We haven't had any super recent launches, so this is more or less what's happening. Now, it's not horrible, it's a 37% ROI, but also we have had a few dates where the profit was just way larger, so it just looks better than it actually is. So, anyways, that's that. I understand that in many cases I need to, improve. It's not really ideal what's happening. So I'll tell you what have I done and what's the plan for this week. Okay, 1 second. All right. I was a little bit busy fixing the AC for the house because it was getting too hot here, but yeah, that's been taking like a few, like probably 5-6 hours in total, but it's fixed now, so it's good. Giving feedback to the freelancers. I have a few books being prepared for Q4, so that's nice. Also, had my accountability call last week with Tommy and decided to do a few things differently with Amazon ads, and now I'm in talks with an agency to pretty much do the things that I was thinking to do myself as I've been going a bit deeper into the ads. But I just feel like the more I can get off my head, the better. And I just don't believe still that Amazon ads is the biggest leverage for my time. I just don't believe that. So that's the issue. I did all of the dad videos for TikTok. That took like a few hours. I posted everything. So watched a bunch of ads tutorials on, what to do. So that was good. I've learned more and more that for dating you need social proof and you need like trust. Otherwise everything is working against you. So that's gonna be one of the focuses to, if you want to have a family with a dream person, especially if you're a guy, you need social proof. As a girl, it's not the same. But that's what I learned. Again, more and more watching. Like I did a lot of ads work this week, just like focusing on learning what to do. Right. Did a blood test for a bunch of things, and my body has normal levels as far as I could find. No sicknesses, nothing. So it's good. That took a few hours. Had a few hours of coaching calls with my coaches for TikTok and KDP. There are a few things I need to change. However, I think I also had a book blocked on KDP, and I just emailed them like, this is wrong, this is my book, and they unblocked it. So that can happen for, for some reason, KDP just does that sometimes. I sat around like 4 or 5 hours shooting content, like page by page, like sitting like this. Oh my god, that was a long time. But yeah, that I need to outsource as soon as possible because I don't want to be sitting doing that myself. That's just not gonna happen. So yeah. And one of the things I learned is like focus on value, not price. People will pay the price as long as the value is there, right? So that's extremely important. That's one of my coaches said that. So we have prepared the books, we have sent them, and I want to get my second books up on TikTok as soon as possible. So that's gonna be good. With these books live on TikTok, we're gonna have way more leeway for yeah different types of content and see if this takes off. Right? If something takes off, it's good. And a lot of time also was spent like organizing my notes and like just decomplicating because things just get complicated all the time, right? Giving feedback to freelancers, so many projects going on. So yeah, I went on some dates, took some time also, but yeah. One of the more important things I've done is I've pulled back my sleeping time 3 hours. So at 11, like I just close the computer, or as soon as like 11:10 or something. But yeah, it's very important for me to wake up like at least 2-3 hours earlier so I can get more done, right? So That's important, and that's been like 4 or 5 nights of not ideal sleep, to be honest, because of this change. I also had a tax call and figured out basically that I think I'm just gonna not do much for this year and just from next year do something, because the risk is there, but it's so small and just so much annoyance for what? For what? Like that doesn't make sense to me. I did another 3 hours of filming and shooting. So, it took me like 6 hours to shoot lots of content and then also prepping and posting them. So these are like real things. They take time, right? And yeah, I contacted some people to do more tasks for me, because I do see that I need to become a teacher and like teach people to do the things that I do. At least the things that I know work and I'm doing good. So that's definitely formatting, but that's already outsourced for the most part. For the most part, so that's good. I uploaded a bunch of new files for the new books, and another 4 hours optimizing ads yesterday. So that took a lot of time. So yeah, a lot of time was spent on like tests, fixing the AC, TikToks, Amazon Ads learning, and Amazon Ads implementation. This all like stacks up, right? So with all that in mind, I hope you're learning with me as I go forward. But these were the things that I got done. Are they important? I don't know. Health is important, right? So the health, if there's a pyramid of important things, like health is at the most bottom. If you don't fix this, you cannot fix anything else that comes after, right? So health is there, being alive basically. And then, you have like using your time well, doing the right actions and stuff. So I don't know. I don't feel like I was extremely productive, but I'm doing some groundwork here, setting the foundations. My lust is very down right now, which is good in some ways. But yeah, that's the truth. Anyways, that's it for this week. I'll talk to you next week. Bye bye.